Power PDF Filler provides support for client-side data processing exclusively through Office.com, leveraging the Microsoft Edge browser. This policy can be systematically implemented upon the request of customers who choose to employ this functionality. Now, let's take a closer look at how this operates for customers who have opted for this feature. Initially, we utilize the Excel desktop version, logging in as Megan. As you can observe, this action is not in compliance with company policy, as this customer prefers to avoid processing data on Microsoft or Google Cloud servers. Next, we logged in using the same user credentials on Office.com, where the application is permitted for use. Thank you for watching.